How to fix fast charging not working on Infinix mobile. So as you can see, step number 1, we're going to use the original charger and cable. So ensure that you're using the charger and USB cable that actually came with your Infinix device. Third-party accessories might not actually support fast charging or could be incompatible, or they're not able to actually be used on your Infinix device if you actually bought them from a third-party seller, just so you know. And if you are uncertain about your charger, consider testing with a certified Infinix charger basically. So consider actually using the original one and see if that can solve the issue. So step number 2, inspect and clean the charging port. Dirt, lint, or debris in the charging port can actually hinder proper charging. So use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the port. Avoid inserting sharp objects as they can damage the port. Regular cleaning can actually prevent charging issues. Step number 3, we're going to check for software updates. So outdated software can affect charging performance. So you're going to navigate to Settings, System, Software Update on your phone, of course, to check for and install any available updates. Keeping your device software up to date ensures optimal performance. Step number 4, we're going to avoid using the phone while charging. So using your phone during charging process can slow down the charging process a lot. Activities like gaming or streaming consume power, which can counteract the charging speed. It's advisable for you to let your phone rest while it's charging. Step number 5, we're going to test with different power sources. So sometimes the issue might stem from the power source actually. So try plugging your charger into a different wall outlet or power strip. Avoid charging through computers or car chargers because they're not that strong and they might sometimes not even work, just so you know, as they might not provide sufficient power for fast charging. Step number 6, consult an authorized service center. So if none of the above steps actually fix this issue for you, it's advisable to visit an authorized Infinix service center. They can perform a thorough diagnosis and address any hardware-related problems.